Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making double custard rolls. These are so soft, they are so yummy, they are so addictive. Kids love them a lot. They can be had for breakfast, so whole. Start by mixing 1 glass of warm milk. Do not use hot or cold milk because it can kill the yeast. Then add your dry active yeast and stir that. Let it sit for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, then stir it again and add the rest of the ingredients. To this I added sugar. This is a sweet dough, that is why I used 5 tablespoons of sugar. Then I added an egg, and then I added to that an egg yolk. I used a yolk for the second round because I want this dough to be so soft, for these rolls to be so soft and elastic. So you can as well just decide to use the whole egg, but I want these rolls to be soft. That's why I used an egg yolk. Kindly subscribe to help me grow, like the video and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about my recipes in the comment section below. Leave out a comment in the section. Then after, add your dry ingredients, and that is the flour. Add it in bits as you mix until you form a very nice dough that is not sticky and it is firm. Do not forget to click on the bell to turn on your notifications to be notified whenever I post a new video. Whenever you click on the bell, please go ahead and click on all notifications such that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. If you see that you do not get my notification, it means that you do not click on all notifications after clicking on the bell. So yeah, that is why. Kindly help me grow by subscribing. It means a lot. After, start adding in a tablespoon of butter, one at a time as you need. I used around 5 tablespoons of butter. This is a soft dough. We want it to be elastic and for you to get those nice rolls that are so yummy, are so soft. So you need to add 5 tablespoons of butter, one at a time as you need. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. These are sweet rolls. They are kind of similar to cinnamon rolls, but it's just that the custard dough, it is kind of different. It is so soft compared to the cinnamon roll dough. So go ahead and knead that until you have a very nice soft dough. Once you have that, add it back in the bowl and then cover with cling film. Let it rest for about an hour and a half as you work on your custard filling. To this, I started with 1.5 glass of milk, although at first I first added 1 glass. Then I added sugar, I added eggs, and then I added cornstarch and then vanilla extract. I left out the measurements in the upright corner. Then stir that all up until you have a clear mixture. Make sure that the egg white is all mixed up all. You can as well decide to use only the egg yolks. It is just fine. I just didn't want to waste that egg white, so that is why I used it in this recipe. Then turn on heat and then transfer the mixture in a pan. Stir that consistently to avoid lumps until the mixture starts thickening, like you see there in the video. Continue stirring until like for 2 to 3 minutes. Then you can turn off heat and set it aside to cool. Meanwhile, the dough is ready, so punch it up and then knead it for 5 minutes. You don't need to dust any extra flour on this dough because like it is elastic and then it is not sticky on the hands. So you just knead it for 5 minutes and then start rolling. Kindly help me grow by subscribing to my channel. Do not forget to follow me on Snapchat, TikTok, Instagram. I'm there as Ugandan Kitchen. After rolling, then start brushing with custard filling all over. Uh, Kindly help me grow by subscribing, like my content. Let me know what you think about my recipes in the comment section below. Then roll and form a log that we are going to use to cut the rolls. Let me know what you think about my recipes in the comment section. Make sure that you fold the ends such that they do not unfold as the rolls bake. Once you are done, then start cutting rolls. At this rate, you have already lined your baking tray with the parchment paper. You can see that these rolls are kind of similar to cinnamon rolls. It's just that the dough is a bit different from the one of cinnamon rolls. So as you're lining them on a parchment paper, make sure that you leave space for expansion as they rest for 15 minutes. Cover with cling film and also kitchen towel. Meanwhile, preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius as well. Then for the egg wash, I used part of the egg white that remained and then added milk to it, and it was ready. Then after 15 minutes, brush the rolls with the egg wash, and they are ready to be taken to the oven to be baked. I baked for 30 to 40 minutes or bake until they brown on top, and you are ready to go and your rolls are ready. You can keep your custard cream in a freezer and you can add it on cookies, on cakes, on other rolls. So right now the rolls are ready, so I added more custard cream to it on top for extra sweetness, for extra softness, and or extra flavor. So they were so nice, they were so soft, and the kids loved them a lot. They were so yummy. Then I dusted with the rest with icing sugar or confectionery sugar, and your rolls are ready to be enjoyed with your cup of coffee, with your black tea, African tea, whichever you would love to have these rolls with. They are just so fine, or with a glass of juice. They are so yummy, so soft, and they can last for like a week. So once they cool down, so store them in a container, in an airtight container, and you can have them for breakfast, for suhoor, and any other time of the day. Kindly check out my other recipes. Let me know what you would love to see on my channel. Until next time, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Turn on your notification to be notified.